Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba Kajela ukan rat kesang ma hakalai potrik ujeliu aja pun riau. Ula pentip bak sarkar kan sepelong manla ubana ya ka program Achiever of the Month. Pan ai mensie mikindong songsnong da ka jingkut jingmut pan ai ka jing itu iki beriu ki paminat akikam bagi terai lakalong ikinong rem kinong sengkam kinong ilia kai sport ka puli dang lie ka jing syakri pat ba bat kiwai haka jingelang balong haka ni kasengi kladan san paungut kinong sengkam ki bawan nakaleng kisnong kitau jong ka jela ki belasya pun kup buram namar ka jing job jongki haka sengkam sengjam.
Motivate and also encourage other individuals to become achievers. And the way that we have designed this is that every month we intend to take one particular group, say entrepreneurs or farmers or students or maybe even our sports persons, and really focus on individuals who have achieved. In a lot of those cases, government has supported in almost all those programs. So for this month, which is the month of July coming tomorrow, we started on 30th of June to give that push for the next whole month, where we are going to be focusing on entrepreneurs. So today a large number of entrepreneurs were there in my residence. I interacted with them. We heard some testimonies. I had a CM Connect program with the entrepreneurs. They shared a lot of the difficulties, challenges they faced, and the interesting journey that they've had. And also they were able to give me suggestions on how we could improve the different programs under Prime and different programs under CM Elevate, and also different ways in which we could expand the overall support that we give to entrepreneurs. Today, hundreds of entrepreneurs are being supported by Prime as well as by CM Elevate programs. And it was very encouraging, as I said today, to meet our different entrepreneurs and to hear from them and to interact with them. And as I said, that throughout this month, we have decided to encourage other entrepreneurs to speak out about entrepreneurship and encourage other individuals to choose entrepreneurship, because in the last 7 to 8 years, we have seen a huge change and a huge improvement in the overall ecosystem for entrepreneurs. And I do encourage the members of the press fraternity to please interact with some of the entrepreneurs who have been supported by Prime as well as other CM Elevate and other programs of Government of Meghalaya, which have allowed them to increase their businesses. There was in fact one individual from William Nagar, and it was very encouraging to see his story, where he used to make tables and furnitures and different kind of artifacts and different kind of products from logs and woods that were thrown away, I should say, and rotting or lying unused. And he was sharing his testimony where he was in the earlier days spending or selling his products on the roadside because he had no support. And today, after Prime giving him different equipments, giving him financial support, giving him different trainings, he has been able to open shops in multiple towns throughout the state. including in Shillong, Tura, William Nagar. And you'll be happy to know that his products today are selling on Amazon. And in fact, he's selling many of his products to customers in the metropolitans. And today, on an average, he is having a turnover of approximately 4 lakh rupees per month. From selling in the streets, as I said, his products to today having shops and selling online is a wonderful journey of how entrepreneurship has grown in our state. And this story is something that is replicated again through multiple entrepreneurs in different parts of our state. And that's really what we're trying to promote and project through Prime. And with that objective in mind, as I said, we have started this program called Achiever of the Month, where we facilitate, as I said, we felicitate and we motivate and we encourage our young entrepreneurs. Another program that we'll be starting very soon under the Prime program is a competition that we plan to do at the state level, where I'm looking at entrepreneurs taking up a challenge that the state is facing and the community is facing at large, and encouraging our entrepreneurs to come out with solutions based on technologies available throughout the world. Challenges could be waste management. The challenge could be water management. The challenge could be renewable energy, or different kind of sustainable technology that is available in the world today. We will choose the theme from our side. And the idea is to allow our youngsters and entrepreneurs to provide those solutions to those problems. And more importantly, the government will then promote that solution, support that entrepreneur to actually implement that particular solution that he or she might have thought of. And we plan to do this on an annual basis. So our Prime team is working on that model. And maybe in a few months' time, we should be ready with the working system for that competition. Another 2 competitions which I've been speaking for a long time, and finally it is now ready, is the competition for the science and mathematics, which the education department will be initiating. And this again, we expect in about 2 to 3 months' time. The competitions will take place at the SDSCO level or the DSCO level. We are finalizing the final details. But again, the idea is to really allow the children in schools to kind of enjoy subjects like science and mathematics rather than fear them or get scared of them, and see the fun part and the innovative part of science and mathematics. So this is also something that we're going to start very soon. And we are now on the final part of rolling this out, and this competition will happen very soon.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.